Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Knowledge rules. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Juice.
Test, 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 test. How we doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome. Happy Tuesday. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Happy Tuesday, happy Tuesday. Shout outs. Happy 420. Swipey. Calling Noob. Good morning. Shout outs calling Noob. Mark. Cuca Deliciosa. Shout outs. YouTube. Burbeezy. Welcome to Lion Cub. Kimba Gang always. Catchoy Booboya. Let's go. Burgix. Good morning. Shout outs PSG. Il Pasoto. Latisse. Vidal. Hello from France. Good morning, Vidal. Bite. Good morning. Cage. Good morning. Shout outs, boys. Damon. Good morning. Yeah, shout outs, PSG. Stand up. Let's go, Nitrogen. Checkster. LA Beats. Let's go. Sales. Cafe Mercados. This is Kimbo. What are you talking about, buddy? Let's go. Yeah. Who's ready? Are we prepared? Is the math mathin'? Let's go. Latisse. BTC back over 90. I think that's a bearish retest, but you know, if we reclaim, that's a good look. That's a good look. We're holding what we needed to. Shoutouts to the order blocks and the new CoinWise indicator. It's juice. It's juice. If you missed Friday, a lot been happening this week. My opinion is I'm gonna let the math and the data show the way. We'll get like a whole rundown in a second. But closing the monthly the way that it did, opening the monthly the way that it did, closing the monthly below the yearly volume value area low, not the best, even though it was like right below it. It was primed up for a full rotation. Maybe. We need to get a good solid high time frame close up inside value again. And that 91,523 is what I'm talking about. It's around 91.5, 91 to 92 zone. Anywhere up there is going to help, and the higher the better. We have bad highs everywhere. Not the best lows. We did clean a lot yesterday. You see how close we are to this bad low? Shoutouts CoinWise, and the extension of the bad lows. Shoutouts CoinWise and our order blocks. Look at that juice. Look at that juice. And that was a good low set yesterday during RTH. And of course we close at the lows and walk it back up ever since ETH started. We'll see. We got 24 minutes until US market opens. I see for the short term, I mean, this is the monthly open. You know, it's the second day of the month. Volume's gonna start coming back in. We got FOMC next week. Shout outs to Wednesday. Shout outs to JPow. It's juice. It's juice. We're gonna have FOMC stream next week. As usual, we got a lot of other big things happening. Shout outs to CoinWise and their new indicator. Shout outs to CoinWise and their journal. Shout outs to CoinWise and their Black Friday deal. Yeah! Shout outs to CoinWise and their new video about to drop in 24 minutes. And shout outs to the CoinWise affiliates program. Yeah, check it out. Yeah, looking to get involved? It's a good way to do it. Juice up. Spread the word. I know you juicing with the indicators. Anybody that's been using it, anybody that's capitalized on the super juicy Black Friday sale, Black Friday 2-week sale. Yeah. Yeah, you know. You know. Eating into the single print now. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Just got to close. Close back inside. And this is our high time frame area interest. Yeah, we reclaimed. We closed back inside it. So deviation. And shout outs to ByteSoar. We got Byte coming on in a little bit. Who's ready for that? Byte. Developer of the CoinWise indicators. We're going to do an Ask Me Anything stream in about 20 minutes. Yeah, right around market open. So we'll be keeping an eye on the charts. You know, the math is the math. But we're going to check out all the juice that they have. And they've been working on some things even through the weekend. Every single day there's like a new update or a new indicator, a new feature. It's juice. You know, they keep cranking it out. Shout outs to Byte. Can't wait to see what he has to say. How about y'all? Yeah, start thinking of some questions if you haven't already. They have a questions area in their Discord channel, or whatever you want to call it, in their Discord. Go check it out. It's juice. But I mean, just think of some stuff and ask it in the chat. Like, that's what he's here for. He's here for the Lions. Byte's been here for a long time, and you know, he's one of the gang. Yeah, Cage. Shoutouts Cage. Vladimir, thank you for the resub. Oh man, I need to reset mine, because it's my day too. Oh, shout outs to Mandalo for the resub. Man, 40 months. Where is it all? Where's all time gone? Juice. Let's go, Mandalo. Yeah, I feel like it was just yesterday that I met you. That shit's so goofy, huh? Got Joya. Let's go, Checkster. Let's go, Cage. Cage is rocking Batman. I'm about 2 months away from Batman. Let's go. Yeah, thanks, Cage. Appreciate it. Welcome back. Update open interest on the chart. I thought I just did. Byte, I did. Do I need to like... Oh my goodness. I'm not resetting all of this because I don't want to like change shit. Dude, sometimes when I reset the indicators, I have to like reconfigure some things, but I do need to redo this one. And I just saved it. Did you update this again? Yeah, shoutouts to the ability to customize all of the things, but man, now I don't want to play with it. I don't want to play with it. Yeah, look at BTC. Look at that order block right there. We need to look at an RTH. We'll probably gap up and have that gigantic RTH gap down. Yeah, maybe look at the 05 of the gap. That was an important level around the 88.7, 85. Low volume yesterday. The open had some juice. Settlement had some juice on ES. But that's about it. Yeah, look how... I mean, look at Friday's volume on ES. Like, nobody was trading on the day after Thanksgiving. Back on spot and perps. BTC is about to eat up that whole single print. Gobble, 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 gobble. Byte, what are you talking about? What is not updated? Is it not updated? I don't see a wheel. You know what's not updated though? All. Yeah, I want all. Look at this. I don't know why we have Coinbase, but we got it. Oh, it's probably for Coinbase institutional, huh? Yeah, that's what I was trying to see on there. Number of OIs. Let's go. Shoutouts KIMBA AI. Shouts calling noob. Juice. Yeah, bite. Let's go. Yeah. Biddy is biddying. I can't do it with the value areas. Can't do it. Way too dark. Yeah, I don't even know how the TPO one is showing up. I have so many of them on here. You see? Yeah, we just need to focus on the charts. I'm about to hide one of them and just see if it makes it. Nope. Yeah, it's like one over the other. 8 the whole single print. Let's go. Starting to trade into all of this inefficiency. That's off the open. So you don't have single prints forming off of the first or during the initial balance. It's only after the initial balance closes that it would be a single print. Otherwise, you would have one there also. Yeah, I think CME has one. I think CME has one up there in ETH. Oh, what am I drinking? I get some coffee in my cup. Shout outs to the merch, exclamation merch. Yeah, CME's got some big singles. Yeah, usually when you have these stacked single prints, at least one of them might serve a little bit of resistance. Yeah, plowed through that order block, flipping it to support potentially. That whole zone right here, it could be a SR flip. What kind of pattern you see in there? I definitely see that. What do you want to call that? CBD. What's my total profit? Brother, you should ask if I even have any profits. Because 95% of traders are not profitable. What's your total profit? €100? Whew, I wish, Nitrogen. I wish. A lot of market bulls. A lot of market bulls. Who's in the ES thing? Lordy. And you get settlement right above, bad highs. You know, they saved the monthly. Right back to that big 6,800 Boo Gamma. Yeah, we'll pull up Boo Gammas. You know, probably is a good time to do it right now because we're going to cut on over to Byte in a few minutes. TP1 hit. Let's go, LA Beats. Hey, I saw that you got some of the indicators. So you liking them? Shoutouts to you. Hey, your tennis lessons are becoming fewer and fewer the more you juice up, right? Let's go. 84.3. That's a juicy ass long. That's juice. Yeah, it was a swing fail. It was a swing fail. Not of everything, but it was a nice clean of this and this especially. We wanted to clean that. Failed auction down here. Hit the order block. This is method 2 that I'm showing. Yeah. Come armed with questions. Come armed with questions. Tiggy! I miss you. Yes, Tiggy. My profit is from being part of the Lion community. Love you, Tiggy. Let's go. How we doing, Tiggy? Tiggy juicing. LA Beats, it is perfect. It's so nice. We've been juicing the past 3 months. We've been juicing, sniping levels. Previous week VWAP coming up imminently. Might be a little resistance there. You know, I would not count out what's going on over in CME and trading into those single prints. May have a little bit to do with it, especially with market open coming up. And yeah, you got true weekly open. But yeah, consolidation, breakout. I mean, we're outside of value. It's good. Not good for shorts. Yeah, just broke from value area high with a retest. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Baba Magus, let's go. Yeah, Bumbule. Hey, now is the time to do it too. They got a great deal. Yeah, the indicator is order blocks. They just released a YouTube video on it. So head on over to their YouTube channel. Check out what it's all about. Check out the exclamation CoinWise Black Friday sale. And juice up. I mean, it's best deal of the year. Best deal ever. In their short history. But it's amazing. Yeah, a lot of lions are juicing. A lot of other people are juicing too, not even the Lions. If you are interested in spreading the word and reaching out, they got an affiliate program too. Yeah. You juice up, and juice up on CoinWise. Bugatti 1 million? 1 Bugatti million. That's juicy. I think if you try to buy a Bugatti with $1 million, it would be like a crash damage one, or like, I don't know, have a lot of miles on it or something. They're hella expensive, dude. Yeah, Bugattis are cool and stuff, but man, I'm gonna spend my money on real estate or yachts or something. I just saw this sick yacht. Oh man. But it's not the price tag, it's the maintenance. Let's go. You're gonna buy some Lada? All right. All right, how's that one looking? Yeah, if it's going to fall back into that value area, you're looking for a failed auction somewhere around here. Maybe at previous weekly VWAP. If it makes it all the way up to weekly open, it's kind of like what I'm looking at it as a potential bearish retest, kind of up in this area through here. Right up to the open. Yeah. So probably if I'm going to be like precise with it. Ooh, I don't want to go all the way to there. I'm going to go to right before it lost it. Yeah, I wouldn't want it to get all the way up to the order block, even though that could be some definite resistance. That's a lot of strength making it up there. And I would look for the liquidity grab at least, if not, you know, confirming a reclaim. I would say like going with volume and structure, maybe even like down to here and like somewhere like that, or value area low could be some real resistance. And that's not saying a blind short, but it definitely would be a TP that I would be looking at. That's even like, you know, maybe it's like a wick through VWAP and closing back underneath it. But you're gonna look for structure here. Yeah, you don't have any sweeps until you get way up there. So you kind of are gonna use your whatever that first reaction candle is. That's gonna be your invalidation if you're looking at something. But it's a good place to look for TPs too, at least some partials. God's sake. I don't know where I am in this playlist. Yeah, one of them has like throws some lyrics in for some reason. Let's go, Tiggy. You juicing on life? I hope so. Tiggy's one of the original members. And you can see by the Batman symbol that she's been here since the jump. Longer than Mandalo. Let's go, KIMBA gang, always. Let's go, Indo Lion. I see you. Hey, who's juicing on their CoinWise? Some people won some CoinWise subs last week. You're robbing for weed? Let's go. Got my bacon. We juicing. Got my bacon, got my coffee. Let's go, Liamzi. Yeah, shorts are starting to close. Hey, I think it's time for a giveaway. You guys want to do a quick giveaway before we send it over to Byte? Yep. Quite a bit back above previous value area. Cage, let's go. Giveaway would be juice. I don't know if we're going to be able to execute it. It might be after Byte comes on or something, but yeah. Oh, that's Strumpf. That's Strumpf. Yeah, it's not a whole lot of extra juice there, but definitely all buy volume. Yeah, it's our delta. All buy, not a single person selling. Oh my god. Shout out to Juiciest. Shout out to Cage. Big cheers. Hey, hey, hey. BLOFIN. Shout outs BLOFIN. Shout outs KIMBA. Shout outs Juiciest. Shout outs Cage. Shout outs the whole team. $100 on BLOFIN. Exclamation too much juice. This is how we're going to switch over to Byte Store. Exclamation too much juice. Let's go, BLOFIN. Exclamation too much juice. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Juice me in the morning. Big cheers. Juice up on BLOFIN. What a way to start the week. Should I say useless lines? I'll get rid of this 88,530 for you. But that was the prior low that we were holding. Bust down. 1 minute. 1 minute to market open. 3 minutes on the giveaway. Exclamation too much juice. Shout outs Pinkachoya. Jack Insane. Let's go. Yeah, we're going to fill that 9K CME gap, right, Jack? We got a lot of CME gaps. Sozo, let's get it. Murkowski, Phillips. Hey, if you don't know what's going on, exclamation dashboard, exclamation giveaway. You just have to join the exchange, put your UID in the chat. Just make sure you join it with the KIMBA TV referral link, exclamation BLOFIN. And it's easy. Like, you can do it in less than time than we have left in the giveaway. Like, you for real could do it. It's fast. You don't have to depot. It just gives us a place that we can send you your dollars. Yep, and don't try to withdraw when you get it. Let's juice. Let's juice. Exclamation too much juice. Let's go J-Bucks. Let's go Endolion. Let's go J-Sucks. Let's go Lamatsimi. Let's go Hersadot. Sunny Hills. Salles. Mahoney. Jack. Satoshi. Mag Kachoya. We got a lot of Kachoyas up in here. Sato's community, isn't it? Look at that single print right into market open. Let's go. We got some Strumpf. All right. All right. Get that. 1 minute remaining. Should I wait out the rest of the giveaway? Shout them out and switch over? Just in case? What do you think? Byte, you ready for this? We ready? Exclamation prepared. Shoutouts BabyBit. Shout out Nibbler. 0 minutes. Type it, type it, type it. Exclamation too much juice. Shoutouts BLOFIN. Exclamation dashboard. Let's go, Bite. Let's get it. All right, I'm gonna shout the winners and we're gonna switch over. All right, buddy. Let's go, brother. Exclamation. Hurry up. Hurry up. Exclamation, too much juice. You can get it. Let's go, Vivid. Welcome to the chat. Fib Math, Nookie, shoutouts PSG. Giveaway has ended. Congratulations to Philip Sticky, Salas, Gregor Rixit, and Dawadini, and Roberizi. Let's go. LA Beats below 86. Yeah, if it starts closing down like below 85, and like 85, 85.1 is a major high time frame level. Big important level. 86 is okay, even if it like cleans the liquidity right there at that order block. Yeah, I'm okay with that. You kind of are going in the wrong direction. If it pulls back, I would look for maybe a retest and go in like the 87.5, 88 zone. Yeah, the SR flip. Below there, probably lower. You're right. And that's like, this is a pretty good low right here. That's not the greatest. And then, you know, in a little bit higher time frame, it's not that great either. So it's like kind of weak. Like that's a really bad low right there. And then you have this piled into it, right almost to the 05 of the order block. Yeah. Shoutouts Notero, shoutouts Endolion, Salais. Okay, we're gonna switch it over. Switch it over. I don't want to eat into Bytes time anymore. All right, y'all ready? Yeah, we can do some more TAs and stuff, time permitting, but I want Byte to be able to share what he has going on. You guys ready? Hey, congratulations to the winners, Philip, Salais, Gregor, Dawadi, Dawidini, Roberzi. Thank you to BLOFIN. Shoutouts to them. Shoutouts to KIMBA. Shoutouts to Cage and Houston. And shoutouts CoinWise. Exclamation dashboard, exclamation giveaway. Get your UIDs updated and let's do it. Let's do it. Sophia Liamzi, let's go. All right. Switching over. Activating audio. Boys. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. Juice. Shout out to Houston. I just gotta fix my cam. All right, camera.
Is that a Kachoi? Hello?
It's a Kachoi. Yeah, you guys are here.
Hello.
Shout outs to Cage. Shout outs to Byte. I'm trying to fix my camera. Hey, welcome to ByteSoar, developer at CoinWise, the juice behind the indicators. Let's go. And shout outs to Cage. Also, a big man on scene, big man on campus, big inspiration behind a lot of what's going on here. And he does so much for the community. He has since the beginning. Much love to Cage, much love to Byte. I'm super excited to talk to you guys this morning, but I'm trying to get my camera working. I can't find the source.
Hopefully
yeah,
we can get them working. Love to see your faces up here. Let's go. Hey, cheers.
Everybody, please give a huge welcome to ByteSoar. Big welcome. You do not need a KYC, Salais. Big welcome. Yeah, Juice, we're so thrilled to have you on, brother. Thank you for making the time for us.
Been a while. So yeah. How you guys been? How's the chat doing?
Been a long time. Welcome
Been a
back.
long time.
What up, Raj?
Rosalicious. Good day. So yeah, my
Is everything working over there, Gucci?
nope, not really. The webcam isn't working, but it should be. It is online.
Mine
And
should
it's
be
the same as the
good.
last time, so
Mine should be good. It's setting up.
yeah. Take your time. You don't need to see my face for juicing on the indicators. Oh,
Got Mandalo up
Mandalo's
there.
there.
Trying to get you up here now. Oh,
Hey, Cyper.
Cyper,
Let's
what's
go.
going on, brother? Shoutouts to you.
So for the AMA part, I have received a bunch of questions, and I'm really keen to answer them. And if you guys have more questions, please leave them in the chat.
Yeah, come armed with questions. If you think of anything, feel welcome to ask. That's what we're here for. That's why Byte is joining us this morning, is to really just run through all the features that have been updated and answer any questions that people have. The community is growing, and really a lot of people are juicing on CoinWise, but not everybody is fully aware of how to use all the juice and how to maybe translate it to the charts. So let's hear what he has to say. As we kind of dive in, I'll start off with the first question. And this is something that one of the community members have been talking about. What's going on with the OI? What's going on with the OI?
Well, I don't know if people have seen it, but like 30 minutes ago, I have pushed the newest version of the open interest indicator live to production. So you guys can open your list of indicators, refresh it, and then you guys would see a new version of the open interest indicator. So go ahead and check that out. The probably like 95% of the old open interest indicator isn't there anymore, so I've rewritten everything, and like I said the previous time, it has become some sort of a child, and I've been putting way too much overtime in this indicator to get all the data correctly shown, and that all the values are the values that you want to see instead of the default values that TradingView is giving you. So I've compared everything with all the exchange data, got all the calculations right, and now you guys have access to is it the most accurate indicator? I think so. The most accurate open interest indicator that is available on TradingView.
brag about it. Say it. Say it.
I think so. I've never seen something better.
Hi guys.
Let's go. The best OI indicator.
Best OI indicator. I haven't
go.
seen anything better ever. Yeah,
Same
a lot
Mandalo?
of work. Let's
I'm
go,
not here to brag,
Kugam.
but I'm pretty proud of it.
There you go.
Look at that.
So, yeah, there you go.
Billions. What's this yellow line going on through
A
here?
bunch of detail in there.
The yellow
Zoom
line.
in.
Delta. Yeah, if you zoom in, you can see all the different open interest values per candle. The yellow line is the open interest delta that is added to it. We have been, if you open the settings, then you can see that we have been differentiating between the USD, USDT, and USDC pairs.
Did I break it?
And by that, you can also differentiate between all the data that is available for each different exchange. So you can really cherry pick which open interest you want to see per indicator, per token, per pair.
And you can just show current. We're on, I think this is on Binance right now, or Bybit. But obviously you don't want to do current exchange if you're looking at Coinbase charts.
Unless you're on the USDC pair.
Yeah.
Or Bitcoin on the Coinbase,
Birds.
then it will show.
Yeah.
So if you have override off and you have no checkboxes selected, then it will show your current ticker you're on. And if that does not have a open interest value in the background, then it will show a runtime error next to the indicator name, and then it will show you that it cannot find open interest for this ticker.
Juice. Yeah, this thing is nice.
So yeah, and the rest of the
which you'll probably
changes.
see on CME, obviously.
Yep.
See. And the rest of the changes you can have a look on the Discord server for Coinwise, and there is a complete change log for everything that we've changed inside the open interest indicator. I hope you guys have fun with it. It has been a journey to get here.
It's juice. It's juice.
Thank
And
you.
if you have any questions about it, you can always ask them in the Ask Your Questions channel.
Sure. That's what it's there for. Shadow Cage.
Yes, please. Welcome
the same
back,
thing.
Touch My Monkey.
Yeah, let's go touch my monkey. I thought I saw Deca Flex in there. Let's go Cyper. Let's go Hedge Fund.
There you go.
Jack, why is Bite sore? I don't know. I don't know. If he's anywhere close to me, your early 30s are kind of rough. I'm 29, so in lion years.
Well, my bites are really sore right now, so yeah.
Yeah, for real. We juice and Hazar, let's go. Hey, so I saw another pretty cool thing, and I'm kind of excited about it. The TPO.
Let me know.
The TPO indicator, we saw it the other day. We were talking about it and adding the 80% setup for TPO as well is super juice. I like TPO on CME personally more than volume, even though I still use volume. I just kind of have it take precedent for like the day trading aspect, and also for like ES. A lot of trad markets where you have like the 0 days. But it's really nice to have that in there. But somebody was asking about having alerts on some of the settings in TPO PvP. I think that's amazing. So can you tell us anything about that?
Yeah. So for the alerts on the indicators, we have been working on it, and there is a subset for alerts ready for the TPO indicator. It's not pushed to production as of now, but they will come live in probably the next update. So right now we have been working on a alert for the 80% setup for price ranging outside of the value area, and when a naked POC is touched or broken. And what else did we do? Oh, when price enters or exceeds a single print area. So these
Any
alerts
single print?
will come.
Yeah. Pretty
That's
good.
really juicy. Really juicy. That's super exciting. Yeah, so like...
Yeah, that'd have been useful for today. Just saying.
Yeah.
That's
Single print
last
area and breaking out from value. Yeah, you may have another one triggered if it makes it all the way up here to your 90,
Sheesh, that'd be
9800.
Maybe we shouldn't add too many alerts because people won't be watching the stream anymore.
True. But you know what? That means that they're
I
juicing
tell you,
with
everyone watching the
Coinwise.
charts.
They're watching the charts, and hopefully you guys are SFP indicator. Ooh, insistence, maybe. That's a good question, though. What do you think about that, Bite? You see Insist's
Swing
question
failure
about a
indicator.
swing failure pattern indicator?
I've been working, like I said before, I've been working on indicators for the past 4 years-ish, and I have so many indicators ready, no, not ready to go, but on the shelf and partially ready to go, that I can't keep track of it anymore, but SFP is one of them. And perhaps there will be an SFP indicator in the near future. Can't promise that, but it is an opportunity, a possibility.
An upgraded swing failure pattern indicator, Kachoya? I love it.
That would be super juice. Yeah, we don't even have to think anymore. We just have the juicy indicators and alerts telling us that that's a good thing. You just have to know what those things are. Right? So shout outs to CoinWise Education, shout outs to your streamers that are up here helping you through the journey. Shout outs to the Discord, and shout outs to PSG for grinding and figuring out what all this stuff is, and that it is significant.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Closer than people think.
Up only insistence. Let's go.
A bunch of good questions.
You know what? I'm super excited about the order blocks. I'm super excited about them. I don't even think it's visible on the chart here, but like, oh my god.
There's a ton of people interested in them.
Yeah. Okay, come on.
We have fish for questions right now. Throw them up. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Come on. Let's hear some more questions. Insistence saying long or short. I'm not looking for a short just yet. It didn't hit that level that I was talking about. You know, we talked a little bit above the previous
4-hour order block. Wait a minute. Sorry, I just blew my mind. God damn, this order block indicator is really good.
It is good.
Go to the 4-hour and look at it.
In method 1 or method 2?
Oh, dude, my favorite method, method 1, the most aggressive method.
Yeah, I like method method 2 in the 30-minute. But that is juice. Look at that. I mean,
damn, that's some confluence. Damn.
Come on now.
If you use the full range, so if you actually go back into the menu and you add the use whole range high and low for order block marking, you actually see how pixel perfect candle close on top of the range value of the order block. Institutional value is. It's just an institutional zone of interest where orders were residing. It's where the market first took off, where the market just came back to revisit initial underlying orders. So check it out. You can see how literally time period candles, Japanese candlesticks we all love to use, respect them really well. Time, volume. Let's go. Order blocks are actually really good if used wisely.
Ooh. Wait, Mandalo has a new version. Mandalo has the bleeding edge version.
Oh, is this the not released version? This is what you shared with me, dude.
Yeah, I know,
yeah. Little sneak peeker though, little sneak peeker. There you go.
That's a nice
Look at that beautiful perspective one. That's a great 4-hour order block though. It's a great hour, like a great time frame for these areas of interest as well, for these zones that do really get respected on the chart. Really good for backtesting too. If people are interested in never like going back on the chart and just seeing how zones of interest at the highs or lows of like these origin structures actually get respected when they're retested. Dude, it's a fabulous tool. Shout out CoinWise. Shout out Byte, man.
Let's
what
see
a
this in
fucking
real
tool,
time.
bro. This
Does
is
it work? Did I just like totally fuck myself? Okay.
Yeah, you can see it in real time.
Yeah, but like, let's see. Like it's not forming after. It's not forming after. It's there.
Yeah,
just so
but
you guys know.
How about just go straight to the origin of where it was actually created, and you'll see how quickly these order blocks will actually capture the creation of them, and you can anticipate moves out of them after immediately they're created. So literally, you can go back to like the low, watch it get formulated. It'll form in front of your face. And you can react on it as it's actually forming, not after it's confirmed, which is a bit different. It's a bit more aggressive strategy, obviously. That's why they say it in the indicator itself. That's why you can kind of build strategies around, instead of going from point B to C, this is actually kind of taking a trade from point A to B. So this is before kind of these structures actually get to form. You can see and anticipate an aggressive volume push or a nice structural zone of interest, either holding as support or resistance. It's pretty cool. Fabulous little indicator. And the best thing about this, there's so much stuff that you can add to it. But I'm sure you guys have so much stuff that you're probably going to add to the data inside of these order blocks that you're going to get to see as well. So
Oh yeah,
it's
we
a
have
great
we
foundation.
have tons of plans for the open for the order blocks indicator.
Let's go. Maybe like a whole structural sweep for it. Market structure and all. That could be juice.
Yeah.
That's a man with ideas.
Let's go.
Let's see what method
this
2
is
looks like.
honestly sick. This setup right here, like the view that Mandalo's got up right now, is just so juice. Great work.
That was a lot, right?
It's so good.
Let's go, insistence. Wait, did method 2? Ugh! What are you doing?
Method 2 doesn't like you.
It doesn't.
Did you break something?
No. No.
No.
No.
Let me check. Okay. Yeah, auto block. It is working.
Yeah,
Number
it's
2.
working. Actually,
like
2
method
shows
1
you
for
the
this right
lowest the lowest order block as well, because it was confirmed after structure.
Yeah.
Yes.
So 2 would actually show you the. Sorry, you can
Okay.
explain if you want.
It's fine. The two methods are pretty basic in if you look at the different methods. The first one is measured like a percentage change over a certain range, and the second method is using the pivot-based method. So you give it a number of look back and a look forward period that it can identify a pivot. And within that, it does a couple of checks like a break of structure, and it categorizes it as a strong move or a not strong move. Blah. And based on those 3 things, it generates a order block.
Awesome. So confluence build, not just any random order block, but just a data of confluence together that actually creates these zones of interest on the chart.
Correct.
Love it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see how much more.
Yeah, that's some
it has.
juice.
Oh my god, look at all those fucking order blocks. You have it so mitigation turns it off.
You can
Sorry, what's that?
suggest mitigation, so you can actually use candle close or wicks through the zones of interest to either capture them, which is closing them so they disappear, or not.
Yep. Selecting between the
Full
two is
mitigation.
nice. Yep.
Yep.
What,
What up,
what do you
Yannick?
guys think when you look
Welcome
at
back, brother.
Mandalo in the chat right now up here? It just looks like the one from Queen.
Because it's so dark, it's like so
Yeah.
stormy here. We're getting too
He's
into the
a
rain
floating
today.
head.
Easy
Yeah.
come, easy go.
Yeah, maybe I'll turn my light on.
Oh my god, he turned around and disappeared.
My office is filth.
Hey,
Oh, that looks awesome.
welcome back.
Thank you. Now
Nice.
I'm alive. Let's go.
When did you become a vampire?
Dude, it is actually
I hope.
pretty light outside, but it's not like sunny.
It joined
Yeah, can you put your hoodie a little bit more forward? It's over brightening.
Hey, hey,
me. Yo,
hey.
got him. What up, Yannick?
Sorry.
Welcome in, you guys. Anybody's got some good questions? Go for it. Insistent said, y'all want to explain pivot length and average range multiplier ?
You want to explain pivot length and average range multiplier. So for the other blocks. So what it is doing for the second method, the pivot length is what it is doing is for the length you have set. So for instance, you have set a length of 5. Then it will wait. If it sees a dip down, it gets the low and it waits for 5 more bars to identify that low as a pivot low. And also 5 bars in front of the pivot should be higher than the lowest low. If those criteria are met, then the low is identified as a pivot. The range multiplier is what it is doing. It is calculating in the background to identify the move after the pivot low as a strong move. And basically what you can just play with it. The default at the median is 0.5, and if you put it all the way up, then it has the move has to be bigger to be identified as a strong move, and vice versa. So that's basically it in layman's terms. In I can go way more technical about it, but
Don't give them too many of your secrets. Hold on now. You
No,
gotta
no,
keep
I won't.
juice.
I won't.
Can't expose
Like I
all
said, I
the
can way
juice,
more
but
go way
yes.
more.
There is a
technical with this
lot
kind of stuff.
behind it, yes.
Yeah.
And some tools like that, honestly, digging deep yourself, researching some of the reasons why some of the tools could be on your chart and why they do what they do, is going to be definitely more beneficial. Shout out to the CoinWise education courses. All right, so there you can probably find out and figure out there a bunch of that information as well. So if you are a member, the CoinWise yearly subscription plan to the Pro Plus education program, make sure you're doing some courses. Make sure you're filling up some quizzes and getting better every single day. They didn't put it there for nothing. Shout out their education team. Big cheers.
Yeah, I hear
You
they
can
have a
definitely
whole lot
figure out
new.
a lot of that stuff.
Yeah. Shout
And
out
what
to
you can
Kate.
see right now on screen is an upcoming update. It says filter mode, and it is something we've been working on, where you can filter order blocks based on price movement or volume movement. But yeah, that's too much juice for now.
It's a lot behind it, honestly.
Yeah.
What other indicators do we got? What other some really strong tools are we able to show off today?
Let me check real quick if the TPO update is already live. I didn't think so.
Went through a bunch of new updated features when you were last on the channel, but you can even
Yeah, we've
recoup
been-
or re-go over some of those feature updates if you're interested.
Let's see, what have we done? Yeah, well, the major overhaul is for open interest. We had a bug fix for longs and shorts indicator, where you used the external open interest override. Then sometimes you would run into a out of memory error. We fixed that. Maybe it's nice for Mandalo to show off how that works right now.
Longs and shorts?
Yeah, longs and shorts, and check the override functionality in there.
Yep. This is a big one. A lot of people don't know it yet.
Yeah, and put it on the open interest indicator, and then open interest, not the delta.
Yep.
Am I going in the right place?
Yep. So go down until you see
Open interest, not OI delta.
open interest. There you go. And then click the override OI delta source. Then you can actually then see the aggregation from the OI. Let's go. That's a super helpful tool, by the way, but great idea.
Yep.
Yeah, give it time. Trading view.
Yeah, it's there. It's there.
Yeah, that's
So
nice.
when you change anything inside the open interest indicator right now, it also changes the open interest
Longs and
data for the
shorts.
longs and shorts indicator.
Ah,
So this data will also change.
that's so big brain. That's actually awesome. Not a lot of places will actually give you that and the ability to configure it yourself.
Yeah, that's the whole power behind building a suite for yourself. That way you can let all the bits and bobs work together.
Exactly. I really like that. Solid.
Yeah.
Yeah, real nice.
Very.
I'm letting it calculate because I want to see it all
Here's a
lined
good
up.
question. I think we can get some like different CVD structures, different aggregated OI within the CVD for maybe like a coin margin versus stable coin. That kind of stuff. I think people were asking about that earlier, so they can kind of go have like a version of their own coinalize.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, please don't curse with me here.
Who said cursing? Hola.
Thing is, you know, having everything just on one screen, like one actual setup, one screen, having it all together is so much more like worth it. A lot more efficient. I like not having to change screens, click through a bunch of stuff. Having just an aggregate amount of data in front of you and being able to kind of customize it yourself is such a fucking. That is such a plus.
Dude, you don't have
Makes
to
it
go
so
to
much easier.
300 different windows. Let's go, Big Chef.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, I usually have like 4 or 5 trading view charts up instead of switching between them, but you know, I'm just like one of those toxic people that is used to having lots of windows open. But trying to find the right chart, trying to like switch between Coinalize and EXO and fucking everything else. Plus, it's all in one place, and it's only like you only have to have one subscription. Like, really, Coinwise has built it so you only really need one subscription. You need just like TradingView, and you need Coinwise. It's sick.
The new indicator, new open interest indicator, is more accurate than Coinalize.
There you go.
There you go.
Double check.
That's kind of the idea.
You
I
guys
wanted
told
you
me
to say
brag
it. You
about
should have
so
said it
I will.
earlier. you got to say it earlier than that. Big Chef was saying, "I'm using Pro. Why are some of the education videos grayed out?" Question mark. That could be because they are not out yet. So if they are grayed out, that's perhaps they are not scheduled out yet on their platform. So there is a bunch of videos that you should have access to. But if you don't, I would suggest just reaching out to their support tickets on their website. If you can't see any of the courses and you do have the Pro Plus education, reach out to their support team using their Zendesk bubble. Little support desk.
They're definitely dropping a lot of videos recently, and at least a few videos a week at this point. Yeah, and I think that their content rate is definitely
Every week they've got
speeding up.
something new.
Yeah.
Yep.
They got a lot coming in though, and the quizzes and tests to go along with the videos. I know they got some.
Shout out Maestro.
Some more of those
He's
coming up.
taking advantage.
Maestro's still king of that. Shout out to Insistence for
Sheesh,
420
that's
points.
insane, dude. Yeah, he's actually conquering the hill on education. Shout out Maestro. Yeah, brother's at 2,000 QP points.
Dude.
Has he done all the quizzes? Is that how you get it?
He's pretty. I would say he's pretty close.
That's
I would
pretty
say
damn
he's done
close.
most of them. Yeah.
Let's go. Alicia is
Looking
calling for
good,
95K.
by the way. Lying top of the board. He's got like a beautiful banner around his picture. Let's go, Maestro.
Alicia is calling for 95K. Somebody just longed. You know what? I hope you get it, and I think everybody that just longed to 84, 85, 86 is also hoping for that. We're gonna let the math and the data guide the way and take it level by level. Let's go with the
How many oscillators can we see in the divergence indicator? It's a good question.
how many of the different things.
How many different oscillators can you see in the divergence indicator?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Total.
Well, and then external, you can like customize it,
Yeah,
can't you?
it is 9 plus the external one. So right now we have CVD, RSI, MACD, momentum, OPV, MFI, VWMA, CMF, and external. And the external indicator is also, like you saw before, where you can override the open interest in the longs and short indicator. This works more or less the same, where you can select a external oscillator from a different indicator as an input for the divergences.
That's
I'm gonna
actually
break
amazing.
it.
So you can plug in longs and shorts into the external and
Oh,
get
yeah, sure.
divergences on longs and shorts.
Yeah, you can also insert a VWAP if you want.
Oh shit! What the?
I just did it for OI.
Savage. I love it. That's sick.
I'm gonna do weekly
Very
VWAP.
cool. Very cool.
Yeah, it's nice to have like the lines and like all that. You can project it up on the chart if you wanted to.
Yeah, I like that. Very nice.
That is cool. What about daily VWAP? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did I break it?
Again?
I know you're good at breaking stuff.
Dude, it's because I
it's
just
still-
like clicking buttons. Just keep clicking, motherfuckers.
Just keep clicking.
Were we talking about that on stream or off stream the other day? That's just funny, dude.
That is on stream.
Yeah.
We're silly.
All my days could blend together,
Never
dude.
stop. We're blending together.
All my
I feel that.
days. Okay, so I'm pretty psyched about that. The divergences is amazing, and being able to do that override that you can select some other sources that you can look for divergences on is juice.
Yes, sir.
How about buy and
Super
sell?
nice.
Come again?
You got anything going on with that?
Which one?
Buy and sell?
Buy and sell volume.
Buy and sell volume.
It's looking pretty
What's the
juicy
most
right now.
recent update for that? That would be the delta and the relative volume.
Yeah, that's about it. It has been a while in there, but what we've added is
Yeah.
for the last update was the relative volume update with more fancy colors.
Yeah, you guys can
can
really
create
see
a
the buy and sell
volume
volume
vector.
coming out.
What's that?
The delta change, it's like PVSRA. I don't know if you've ever like looked through those indicators, but maybe plotting candle colors on the chart could be a good one for this indicator as well.
That would be super nice. That would be super
can look into
nice.
Well,
Yeah,
yeah,
for the for the RVol.
some sauce on the side. Some sauce
Yeah.
on the side.
I will add it to my notes.
That would be super
Juice.
juice.
Like my notes is not only like 4 pages long, but whatever.
Yeah, I know. We gotta take some of those notes. Bring them to that's our next AMA session, I think, with BiteSoar is going over all the new stuff that we've got in our notes. Shout out Bite.
Whoa, you really want to do that?
Yes.
We're gonna schedule another AMA with BiteSoar? I think so.
I think we
Yeah.
need to.
I think we should. It should
Well,
make it normal.
Let's hear it. Is chat up for that? You want to see my face more? Can't imagine.
Yeah, how else are they gonna get their coin-wise juice? They're gonna have to figure out one way or another. I mean, like walking through some of these updates with them each month or something like that could be pretty juicy. Coin-wise has a bunch of stuff
For
coming
sure.
out, so keeping them updated here and there at the end of each month could be pretty dope.
Yeah.
Tiggy thinks
Well, I'm down, man.
you look sexy. That's amazing. Amazing,
Wow.
Tiggy.
Watch out, Bite.
Thanks.
Watch out.
He's a married man. All right, Tiggy.
Yeah.
Back off.
No, she's gone. You're like, woo!
Shout out Tiggy. Real much love you guys. We're definitely bringing Bite back up here. And we'll let you guys definitely build out the questions channel on the Discord. Make sure you guys are asking some great questions. Hunter, shout out to you, brother. I know you got tons of questions built up in you. Make sure you're asking them over in that channel, the Ask a Question
Yeah.
channel on FunWise Discord.
Ayo.
That way we can feature it. We can feature it up on the big screen for y'all, and you guys can really engage with us. All right.
Well, dude, that escalated quickly. Holy shit.
Ayo.
Hey. 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 God damn, Tiggy.
Ayo,
It's
this is the
fucking
kid.
10 in the morning.
Is it Peggy 12?
Let's go, Tiggy.
Sharing is caring. That's
Oxygen.
right, Houston. All right. Ladies and gents.
Wait, we got
Best
one more thing to see.
questions only. All right.
Yes,
Lights or
questions.
any other indicators that we're looking at today.
We got one
What
more
else
thing
do
to
we
see.
have on the list?
Yeah, we can, but don't you want to leave some juice for the next one?
We do, but I have something to
No.
ask, and I had something to ask chat.
All right, go ahead.
Using these indicators, you can see just normal, basic ass trading view volume bars. That doesn't tell you anything about buy and sell. But what do you have when you break out from right there? So I'll show you right there, value area high, with volume, with buying volume, and this is, oh, this is perps. Oh, Lord of mercy. But if you aggregate it, it aggregates, doesn't it?
Mhm.
Let's see about a spot.
You can actually change between spot or perps.
Oh,
to buy
yeah,
and sell,
and you
so-
can do it everything. Yeah, I did aggregated spot.
Yeah, you can
aggregated
see the
spot
difference
and perp?
between spot buying. Yeah. That's super juice, actually. That's
Are-
kind of like the idea where I think we can add even more data into that.
So what do you
Get
what do
even
you-
spicier, too.
Yeah. What do you think about breaking out a value with volume, with buy volume, not just like closing shorts,
And OI
with
going up.
spot and OI going up? What?
All right,
and
if somebody
longs.
answers this right in the chat, they get a cookie. What is this? What is this? Who's got a cheat sheet? What is this? Is this bullish or bearish?
Bull runs back.
Bull run. I mean, technically, it's along the right answer. Is this bullish or bearish, Kirby's? What happens when you have buying pressure step in while you break through the range? With OI increasing.
You got a gap fill, but not mine.
Motherfuckers are saying nothing. It's bullish. It's bullish. Jonic says bulla bulla. It is. Shanti says mega bull. That's right. It is bullish. That's right. You have
Ooh-wee.
OI going up, buy pressure stepping in.
Dude, that's almost to the pixel of filling the gap. Yeah, they wouldn't let this gap go unfilled.
Is CVD also included in this? What's CVD doing right now? How is the divergent CVD indicator showing alongside OI and buy and sell volume? What is the confluence between the three? Should give you like a huge information grab on what the heck's going on. Is it truly bullish? Is it just shorts closing? No positions being bought. You can actually that's kind of the idea, is having these three tools, CVD, buy and sell volume, and OI kind of together, and the juiciest part on top is longs and shorts, because then you get to really see it and visualize it. These four oscillators together, it's probably the best confluence piece of data throughout the entire suite you can throw together and use for a lot more probability on your trades, higher probability trade setups, using confluence, major confluence from all pieces of the suite. It's super juice. Buy and sell volume for me, just confirmation on CVD and OI, right? The longs and shorts really showing me are people in the market from previous fixed range values. What's really nice is actually having the visibility range. So instead of just having full data, you actually get to see from a point by dragging the chart left or right to a high or low. Previously on the price chart, where you can actually see where shorts have built or longs have built in a majority using just a fixed range, just a visible range, which is really dope. That's the kind of confluence we like to look at, especially on XO. Shout out XO. Kind of giving us that overall higher time frame candle structure. Be really sick to see some like candle tools.
Yeah.
Train view is really difficult for that. Onyx says, I don't want to see shorts being squeezed yet. Give me that buy volume OI and then mega squeeze. Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna have a mega squeeze if you get above this like 91 8, 91 9. Yeah, you have the shorts that are like, well, they just round tripped on Kimba Airlines, $7,000. But that's like the major invalidation for a lot of the shorters up here. Maybe they TP'd some really and then just had like a free roll. Let's go Corolla Lover. Let's go Yannick. Why aren't we appearing on YouTube Live? God damn. It's not?
Mandalo, your chart's sexy right now. You know that? Speaking of, Fight Store is also very sexy, man. Shout out Tiggy.
Yeah, shout out Tiggy.
I'm kind of hyped up over the fact you guys get compliments like that. I want some compliments like that.
I do too.
Is it possible to have an OI indicator that shows exactly what percentage of an OI candle already closed the positions? That's a good one for Byte.
Wow, is it possible to have an OI indicator that shows exactly what percentage of an OI can... Oh yeah, sure. That's a possibility.
How do you think that would work?
I'm braining it inside right now.
He's braining. This brain is braining.
Those are the kind of questions, Jack, we need. Keep it up.
Well, yeah. Do me a favor. Shout me out or shoot me a DM and push that question in there so I can push it to my notes.
No, push the question to the Ask a Questions channel on the CoinWise Discord. Motherfucker.
Obviously.
What are you doing, dude?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, no, same thing though. That's like the same thing. If you guys ask a question in that channel, it's like putting it right in Byte's notes. You'll see it.
Yeah, that's for sure. But yeah, that's an interesting one.
I want to see a big fat longer on Bybit, Lattice said. Amazing. Looking for a Sato today. Why are you guys not appearing in the YouTube live?
We're not.
We are.
It is. It's in all the YouTubes. It's in the 24/7, and it's in the Market Open with Mandalo.
Oh,
there you go.
I'm on YouTube.
You are on YouTube. You are YouTube famous. Let's go.
Say hi, YouTube.
Cacao. Let's go, cacao. Let's go the US NFT. You think this is bearish? I mean, I don't think so, but we'll see what happens when we slam into our little consolidation or order block up here. Yeah, we just tapped that value area low, and albeit this is Binance, but pretty much, we'll go to this candle. Yeah. So I had drawn it like this, and to structure on the other. We were looking at that, and then maybe the point of control, and it came pretty close to, and usually I draw it like this and go like a little bit below value area low to something like that. But this is value area low, which I put a lot of weight into, and that did tap almost to the pixel. Shout outs to the CoinWise indicator. I'm gonna hide like all my things so you can see this.
How about some additions to the
look at that day before yesterday.
Levels indicators actually got some additions. The previous session options actually came in pretty clutch. I'm not gonna lie. Yep. They set up pretty well today. I set them up for ETH, RTH, and I kind of look at like the opens and highs of the previous session and the current. It's actually really unique.
On CME?
Yeah. Not even that, but having them just like kind of on Coinbase too as well to correlate the key levels of where maybe, like RTH could open the high and low of the range.
That's a nice one.
Pretty unique as well.
So yeah, the previous sessions is something we added for last week, exactly.
It's super helpful. Super helpful.
Custom period. You know, are you a 3-dayer? Are you a 5-dayer? Are you a 10-dayer?
Are you a 3-monther? Some people are a 3-monther, dude. Like, you know, that's
Your quarterlies?
a half
kind of.
year. Like, some people are 6-monther.
Yeah. Settlement doesn't matter here, but you know what does? And what's pretty cool? We got the gaps. Is it working? I have so much like lit up on the chart, every indicator, that I can't tell if the
But you turn off all the other indicators if you're gonna look at one. I feel like some of the indicators that are really good to have on with each other are the TPO, order blocks, and some levels perhaps, but like, you know, minimizing obviously the amount of data that you're getting derived on the screen. You don't need to see every key level.
You don't.
Definitely don't
turn
need to
off
see
the
like
default,
all the order
volume on.
blocks. Yeah, exactly. So at a time, really, it is best to kind of just have like full clarity of one tool at a time, because each tool does come with like just a sloth of like, you know, information and data within them all. So kind of just building confluence, even just having each one up at a time and marking out specific areas of it, really great. Shazam said Byte is back. Yes, he is back.
Sure.
You can see more
Hello,
of
hello.
them too. And we have a hidden bear div as well.
Oh yeah, it is. It's a big one.
You gotta look at the CVD indicator, look at the divergences indicator, and tell us, is there a bearish divergence forming?
We have a bear div from the 27th of October till now. Big one.
And is it confirmed or is it forming?
It is a non-confirmed.
There you
Well,
go.
yeah, it is also a confirmed up until the 27th of November, but we're still running in a non-confirmed one.
So it has to confirm by.
That depends on the settings.
There you go. I would say usually though, you want to confirm a divergence by having some sort of candle structure, right, and confirmation.
Yep. Yeah, tomorrow it will be a confirmed one if it stays this way.
There you go. Candle body closes will actually show you that. Yep.
Yeah.
I like having the VWAP on there. You gotta have the VWAP. Alright. Yeah, right? You got previous week POC and TPO POC. So volume and time.
Yeah, that's like a really clean setup. That's something I would usually be looking at right there with you guys. Like some minor levels, having the order blocks up with the TPO PVP. Oscillations at the low, obviously, for the best kind of confluence.
And it combines.
Just flipping them up whenever you want them. Exactly.
You can change your threshold too. So like
That's really
if you
cool.
really need to see everything,
Yeah.
you need to do it like
What's
that
really
or
cool
something.
too, if you really think it's clustered, you just go into the levels indicator, and at the very top there is an option that says disable levels. You go there, you can turn off your key levels, but keep kind of the highlight of your VWAPs. All right, which kind of does clear up a lot of the data mess that could be occurring if you have a lot of key levels selected. Whew. So if you want to just quickly adjust them on and off, great way to do so.
It's just a quality of life thing.
Yep, you got
It's
the
a
VWAPs
call.
down here.
A call.
A call. But stuff like that really does keep your chart clean and easy access, efficient as possible.
Yep, agree.
been messing with the templates for that. Kirby's, how are you liking the templates? And is there anything different that you think Coinwise could do with the templates or create?
Ooh,
That's
I
a
think
good
we need
question.
to update those since we have pushed the new version of the indicators.
I think we'll definitely do an update on some of those templates. We can get some ideas, I think, from the community as well for what they want to see in them.
All right. Anyone has some extra questions? Let me know.
Like, run down some of this stuff. How long have you actually been, like, kind of part of the KIMBA gang?
The KIMBA gang. Holy shit.
Ask yourself that.
I would say 4 years ish. How long have I been subscribed? I've been. Nah, I haven't been subscribed since the beginning, but more or less. So I think it's like 3 years ish, maybe a little bit more.
I've been here since April, it says.
April
Subscribed for 29 months.
2023.
You've been here a long time, brother. You're an OG.
Long time.
Holy shit. Yeah, it's over 3 years. Been developing for over 20 years. And been a indicator, as in PineScript developer, for over almost 4 years now.
You got tons of experience. You've seen PineScript V5, even V4.
Yeah, V4, and even a lot of shit from testing from V3 as well. So yeah,
Yeah, trying to put the logs together. Yep. User manuals
Yep.
galore. Been through
Oh,
all
dude.
that.
How about the deviation bands?
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So there's stuff as well, like, you know, like we've gone through our own testing and stuff like that to see like some data obviously that isn't always being used, some unique things throughout the trading view years. I think we could release some of that stuff, I think, in the future if you guys are down, but I think Coinwise would be a little bit
Oh yeah, you
Well-
guys like some old school, new school? We can revamp it.
basically
That we have created before.
old school but new school, same
Yeah.
but different. Yeah, that's kind of the stuff. Yeah, we could get into that. That could be interesting.
There's some cool old stuff out over the years.
Like the old Bollinger Band strategies and shit like that we used
That
to go
was
over. Fuck
nice.
yeah, I love
Yeah.
bands,
Oh,
bro.
dude.
Bands are great.
That would be pretty easy to push live. I reckon. We'll
Let's
talk
take it
about
level by level. Let's take it
Level by level.
I gotta still
Exactly.
learn how to use all of these ones.
Exactly. Let's get let's get everything out for what we got so far. I think like make sure everybody's fully aware of the tools so far. I would hope so. A lot of the line's been using these tools now for I think years, being with Kimba and the gang here, kind of getting to experience and learn things here. It's a great stepping stone towards the Coinwise tools for everybody that's like hung out. Oh, kind of. Cheers. Everybody that's hung out and been with us for like a long amount of time and have been experimenting with, you know, a bunch of the tools that you see on stream, I think can relate to Coinwise and the abundance of tools that they've kind of given us to use. It's, if anything, now we can start kind of like expanding on that knowledge. That's why building out, I think, an education program they've got for us is fucking awesome. Like the education really does take it a step further. Kind of putting the pieces together that I think everybody has kind of seen over the years. Any little nuanced questions that they've had for Kimba and stuff like that really do get answered throughout the Coinwise educational courses. And I think that's kind of the juice that they bring, is like a value to what we're so used to, and how we can kind of now expand on a foundation of like some really good traders, some wise traders, you know what I mean? Journaling their trades, taking things seriously one step at a time every single day. Coinwise is such a great foundation for that. And shout out to Kimba for even taking a chance, you know, like giving us a platform for Coinwise to even promote and get ourselves out there and stuff like that. Seriously, big shout outs to Kimba.
Yeah, sure. Shout out Kimba.
Yeah,
Shout out to Kimba.
that's huge.
Let's
And,
go,
we
LA
appreciate
Beats.
it, seriously.
Yeah.
Big
Yeah.
cheers to that. tons of support from the gang here over on CoinWise, and we know you guys are definitely using the tools to juice up. We see you guys. We love to see that. That's what it's for. Tons and tons of work goes into seeing you guys juice up, and that is the goal. Much love.
Sure.
Let's go, Gabbo. Let's go, Shazam.
Curvies, dude. Curvies, I was in PSG like plotting every single day on multiple exchanges, all the freaking levels for the day.
Yeah.
Every single day by hand. That should take forever, man. It takes
For real, for
forever.
real.
Dude, you know how much of a
Correlating
time
different
saver
levels to
alone it
different
is?
charts.
It's just all marked and consistent. You don't have to do that. Like, you just switch between the charts. It's already done for you. It's like, that's worth it alone.
It is. You get to expand on your strategies. I think that's like a major value for the journal too. So now that people get it so easily, the data is there, they can kind of just expand off their strategies with them. That's super juice.
Yeah,
Welcome
the journal
back,
has order
Azenti.
blocks in it too.
Yes, it does. Psychological, you know, different strategy, different emotions and different setups, and just kind of different nuance functions for the journal to kind of give people an edge over their, maybe it could be emotions, you know, capturing what they're, you know, when they're in the right moods or not in the right mood, or perhaps in the right strategy or setup that they've planned for themselves, stuff like that. Those nuances really do make a good trader a professional trader. Yes. Definitely
Yes.
want to use Arizona. Is it going to go up? More question mark.
The math is the
Yes.
math, and the data is the data.
Depends.
This was a place
How
that we
much
planned
Viagra
for,
did you
a
take?
potential resistance. If it is going to pull back, this is a very logical place for it to bounce from. We have consolidation, loss of value, retest of value. It needs to close back within value, and the upcoming 4-hour close in about 27 minutes, it will be helpful to confirm whether value has been reclaimed. But if you get a 4-hour, 8-hour, a daily close back up here, or even up here, it's looking a lot better for continuation back towards the 94 zone at least. Right now, this is looking like everybody that was up here and held all the way back is finally getting out, or is getting rescued. It's kind of how bearish retests work. It doesn't mean that this is the end or this is over, but it was a logical reason to maybe shave a little bit here. It absolutely is not a reason to long right here. Follow your plan.
Yeah, that's a good response, I think, for Rafa.
Follow your plan.
Let's go.
Shout out to Rafa. There we go.
Does Magic Eden includes Kimba NFTs in their packs now? Looks like it. Not sure, Luxlayer. But shout out to the Lions of Liquania's NFT. A bunch of you guys are a holder of the Lions of Liquania NFT.
Shout outs to the bag holders.
Hey, that's me.
That's me too. That's me too. Shout outs to the Lions of Liquania
Hey, we got some
holders.
stuff coming up.
Yeah. Next short level. I mean, we're looking for structure up here. That or a swing fail maybe, and tucking back below. But you know, you're kind of stepping in front of a train. You have increasing volume with each one of these candles. On spot, on CME. You know, it's not that bearish. You want to look for like more solid rejection here. This is just like profit taking and like these people getting let out at this point. You know, riding a position, going in drawdown, you're like, oh, please, Lord, can you let me out? Like, if I just get out at close to break even, like, I'm never going to do this again. I'll never do this again. And the next time you do it again. But, you know, you at least get to like get out relatively unscathed after that huge Kachoya. And you know, that's pretty natural. And the people that long down here, that was a reason that, you know, they might have thought to shave a little bit or TP fully. I mean, some people just fully TP'd up here. Maybe they left a little bit to run. I'm not trying to tell you what to do or how to trade it. I'm telling you the logic and the psychology behind it, and why I had said that that might be an interesting level to take a little bit of profit at least. What we want to look for is a reclaim, solid closes back in here. That's going to look a lot better for taking these highs. If we maintain volume through all of this value area, it's going to look a lot better for taking these highs and likely these highs in the 93 zone, possibly higher. You know, you get a close up here, is probably going to push even higher. Yeah, and there's a couple of huge order blocks up above, but it's bad highs all the way. And that, you know, like that was kind of a change of structure. This is a higher low, like in the higher time frame. In the higher time frame, it's looking pretty nice if you can get a higher high. Because you have a lower low, a high, a higher low. You just need a higher high. Don't let this turn into a lower high and roll over. If this comes back down here, you're looking at that. That's a lower low and a lower high. So, you know, you'd be looking at like probably lower. That's my opinion anyways. So we have a plan. We need to get some closes up here so we can get a higher high, and then maybe look for a pullback to get on the train or to add if that were to happen, and we're going to get continuation up. You know, we're just playing it small as we always should be. We're not full bag, full port, you know, yeeting into trades. Each one has a plan. If some of them work out super nice, that's juice. If some of them don't work out, you live to trade another day, live to take another one. You know, you want to it's a marathon. That was some stoner lion. That was me, I guess, huh? Let's go, Tiggy.
That's me. The dude jet.
420 soul. That is juice. Hey, I'll sell anybody my lion for 420 soul.
For sure.
I'll give you a deal. I'll give it to you for 419.
Well, that's a nice segue for me. If you guys want a deal, check out the Conway's announcements. We've just fired it up. It is still the Black Friday sale. You can still get 60% off of your yearly and 40% of your monthly. Use the code WISEFRIDAY on checkout. We've been discussing all the indicators we pushed live and updated recently. If you guys want to juice as well on the indicators, head on over to coinwise.com and check it out.
Much love, you guys. It ends December 5th. You guys only got a few more days to kind of get in there and grab your discount while you can. And we appreciate it, Byte. Shout out Byte, man. Can we get a big love in the can we get show some love in the chat for Byte? This dude's actually a legend. Byte's been around this community for a long time. All right, this dude has absolutely worked his butt off. We got to show him some love. KIMBA Gang has to show this man some absolute love. We're gonna bring him up again. You guys want to see him again? Got to show him some love. Much love, Byte. You can check out all of his hard work on develop tool education over on CoinWise. Make sure you guys are checking him. Leave a like or an emote, on the Discord announcement post. Make sure you guys are showing them love. Make sure you guys show them that you see it. All right, that you guys are in their Discord. You're gonna stay active. All right.
Hey, give their Twitter some love too.
Yes, please. Oh my God. Thank you very much, Mandalo. Shout out their Twitter and their YouTube, of which they are trying so hard right now to kind of populate.
Yeah, they have a
Shout
lot
out
of
to
videos
Alex.
on YouTube, free education. They have a lot of I mean, they have all the indicator videos. They're so follow them,
populate
check it
it.
out. I mean, and then their Twitter. I know that they're gonna have a Twitter contest coming up soon. You can't be missing out on all the updates and things that are hitting the streets.
If
in
we can
real
get their
time.
Twitter to 100 followers by the end of the week, we'll give away some CoinWise.
That would be
subscription.
juice. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're holding in strong
do
with like
that.
23 followers, dudes.
Bro, there's no way. I know
been out
KIMBA
for,
Gang
like,
can
fucking
easily
3 months.
Hey. Get them some follows. If they can get 100 followers by the end of the week or something, you know, we'll give away some CoinWise rewards to the gang.
That's
You guys
juice.
deserve it. You guys always show us some love. So.
Yeah, but
We
we'll check
appreciate
you
it.
out. You only get one if you deserve it. So
Oh, you heard it here. Only if you deserve it. Shows you deserve it. Shout out, Bite. Appreciate you guys, man. Thank you for showing some
guys.
love.
much
Thank you,
love,
Bite.
everyone.
Thank you, Bite. Hey, this was amazing. I really, really appreciate, and the whole gang appreciates you taking the time away from developing to share all the new juice and everything that you've been working on to help us to understand these indicators better, because that translates to us being able to read the charts better.
Literally.
So, big thank you from
Right
all
on.
the Lions. I mean, you see that we've been really using them very well to point out levels
Yeah.
the past 3
Fucking
I
months.
love
PSG, absolutely. PSG's been doing back test galore with the tools, and you know what? It's beautiful. That's the type of stuff we want to see. You guys are using the tools wisely. We might
Guys, I
just send
should
you a
hang
little
out
bit of
more
a
in,
reward.
PSG,
You
right?
know? You never know. Shout out Maestro, 2,000 motherfucking points on the leaderboard. God damn, that still mind boggles. Keep it up. I love that.
Jeez.
I guess
Maestro.
I should hang out more in PST, right?
Exactly.
I
Yeah, I
miss
will
PSG.
sometime.
I miss PSG. I have like, dude, I can't even sleep. I can't wait to get back to the times that I'm just chilling in PSG and just vibing out. I love y'all. I love y'all. Don't let my absence be off-putting. I still love y'all guys. I can't wait to get back.
Come watch a movie with us.
I'm so fucking tired, man.
Hey. Shout out Aurum, shout out Insistent, shout out 60s, Kagami, thank you guys for being here. Hedge Fund, much love, brother. I got the magic stick. Somania, hey, welcome in. The Big, 60s, taking profit, Joopy. Appreciate you guys, thank you guys very much for showing love to Pipe. Colin, dude, much love. Tiggy, for sure you showing the most love. We appreciate that. Kirby's Mark, big cheers. Thank you guys. Calling Noob, the OGs, the VIPs. Thank you guys. Indo Lion. Let's get it. Big cheers, you guys. Shout out Bite. Shout out Mandalo. Mandalo, your chart, sexy as hell right now. You know that?
It's looking beautiful, isn't it?
Dude, look at that. What a reaction today. Got blessed with some volatility, blessed with an AMA, blessed with a bunch of lines in the chat right now hanging with us. Shout out to the Market Open Nerd Out. That Nerd Out, even though it was only 30 minutes long, brother, was actually juice. Look at the levels.
Dude,
Look at the
and you got naked
levels,
point controls
Mandalo.
right there.
Oh my god. I'm talking about it like an hour ago. We're already there.
Brother, I know, and
That's
that was really fast. That was really fast. I mean, perfect breakout from value area high. With volume, we used all of this juice to help us to confirm. Look at that. Open interest closing up here at highs. I mean, who could have called that?
We actually, yeah, we went through the entire confluence of all the oscillations as we were going through the changes and the updates on them. I love that. Hitting 2 birds with 1 stone this morning. Data never lies. Let's go, Indo. Shout out Jay Becker. I see you. Always showing us some beautiful morning vibes. Always giving us a morning post. The Discord. Shout out Jay Becker.
Wait. Who juicing? Bugatti. It's got to be testnet. It's too easy. Let's go, Lions. Shout out to the dashboard. If you want to be ready for some giveaways, get your UIDs updated in the
Oh, we're
dashboard.
doing it. Oh,
We got a big week coming up. We got an even bigger week next week. You know, after this week, it's next week. After today, it's tomorrow. You know, today is Tuesday. After Tuesday, we got Wednesday. And of course, after Wednesday, we got Thursday. So let's fucking get it. Exclamation dashboard for the entire stream schedule. We got mad juice coming. Giveaways are still hitting, even though it was only supposed to be until the end of November. So get your things lined up in the dashboard. Exclamation giveaway to get that straightened out. Exclamation CoinWise, take advantage of this amazing deal. We got the CoinWise team working hard as fuck behind the scenes for y'all. And they have some juice that they're offering up with that Black Friday sale. Check out their Discord, check out their Twitter, check them out on exclamation CoinWise, and check out the KIMBA TV Discord. I know. Check out the KIMBA merch.
I love
Big
it.
shout outs to
Much love.
PSG.
We appreciate you guys, dude.
Much love to Byte, much love to Cage, much love to everybody that's behind the scenes and making this happen. Yeah, big cheers to the entire team. Big thank you to KIMBA. Big thank you to BLOFIN today. Big, huge big cheers to CoinWise. And huge thank you to all the Lions that are here with us today. Much love to y'all. I hope you're juicing. This is a great day. A lot of fun. Let's go. Hope you all have a wonderful day, and we will catch you.
Stick around. We do have a talent show later.
Ooh, talent show. Is it a new one?
Talent show. Don't forget.
Is it a new one?
We got. Well, it's a listening party. It's a listening party. Come vibe out with us at 5 p.m.
Okay.
No, 3 p.m. today. The listening parties have switched up. We're at 3 p.m. Eastern today, Tuesday and Thursday for the listening parties. Come vibe out with us. Show Houston some love, and we'll see you guys there a bit later. Much love, you guys. Thank you, Mandalo. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you,
sir.
Byte.
Thank you, boys.
Shout out, Mandalo. Thank you very
Shout
much,
outs Byte.
family.
Shout outs Cage. Shout outs Lions.
Thank you, everybody.
Hope you all have a wonderful day. Hey, I'm not crying. You trying?
I'm not
If you
crying.
don't-
You're crying.
If you don't use a stop loss, they're gonna slap this shit at ya. Ya. Much love, Indo Lion. Big cheers. I hope you're juicing. Hey,
Cheers.
y'all juice up. It's the saddest part of the day. I know. Market makers, you know what time it is. You know what we're looking for. We're exclamation prepared. Shout out Jameis. Alright, let's send it. Shout out to PSG. Come vibe out until the talent show later. Yeah! Alright. Later, y'all. Much love.
Joy. I slammed them with a bunch of commands, guys. Check out the commands. I think we said it enough, but join the Discord. Join the Discord. Make sure you're caught up with the stream schedule this week. Much love.
I just got rugged.
No outro?
My outro just got rugged.
No, outro's crazy.
Were you guys done?
Dude, I
No,
was
that's
still
just
running my
crazy.
outro, dude.
No, outro's crazy. You had 10 minutes.
Alright, I'll go back.
It's fine.
Go back to run the outro.
Oh,
No,
shit,
dude,
that's
what the
all-
fuck?
Oh
That's
shit!
it.
Oh my god, hold on.
That's all right, dude. I
This
already fucking
guy.
set it off.
Love
I already turned it off. I had to like start screaming again to do it.
That's so scuffed. Oh my god. Oh well. Hey, good aim, mate. Look, there wasn't a lot of questions, so I tried to feed in
Yo,
some
the
like
out-
momentum.
The outro
but-
played, and then you guys got super quiet. I'm like,
It was starting. Yeah, it was the outro music, and then it's my outro like little clip.
yeah. So to me, I thought you guys were like,
Oh
like,
my
The
yeah,
fucking
God,
outro
too
didn't
much
even
Latuche.
appear.
It
It's
seemed
okay.
like you guys were awkwardly waiting for me to switch. is
We
all
were
I'm-
vibing out the sound.
Oh, dude, that was awesome.
Yeah, you know what? Hey, overall good stream though. I mean, the AMA was there. We great stuff. I walked through of all the tools. I tried to direct a little bit so you guys can go
Yeah, you
through
did great.
everything.
Yeah, you did
That was
great.
awesome.
Hey, I appreciate that. As long as I didn't step in on anyone's toes. Sorry, Mandalo, if I did at all. I know you had control of the charts, but you did actually a fantastic job doing exactly what we talked about. So, wasn't really a problem.
Yeah, thanks,
Great
boys. I
stuff,
felt a
dude.
little bit like a little awkward. I know Bite was dealing with the lag. I'm sorry about that. I didn't even see your message until then. I was like trying to like fucking juggle 400 goddamn windows and chat and
I know,
everything
man.
else.
I
So
try to make sure
apologize.
everything was just in line there too. I was giving everybody a reminder too. Like we popped off the announcement as well for Black Friday sale, and I had Bite kind of give his little shout out there. Good job. That was
Yeah, you
it
did
was
great.
proper.
You did great.
Yeah,
And
I
then
loved it.
Impromptu. Holy shit.
that
Yeah,
last,
it was
feels
you know
great.
one curveball is good enough. You know what I mean? And you hit it
Yeah.
out the park. So good stuff. Great stuff.
Yeah, I got a nice segue, so that was cool. Shout out, man.
Yes.
you got to take it when it's like served up for you like that too.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. I think everybody did enjoy it. Show them like I tried to say, show some love on the fucking announcement. You know, like show some activity on the announcement. I want to push people over there to the Discord.